Hey guys, what's up? In this short video today, we're going to be showing you guys how to get Sigma 5.0 for your Minecraft client. This is a hacked thing that you can do anything on, such as music, go on Hypixel and hack around in Bedwars. You can do it anything your heart desires. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to search up Sigma client.info. Once we go to here, we're going to click download now. We're going to do the beta free download. It's going to give us a .zip file in the bottom right corner. We want to show in folder and then extract it right here. Once it's extracted, we want to open the folder and X out of the Google. Now we have the folder right here. Now we want to go in the bottom corner over here and search up %app_data%. It's going to open the roaming. We want to go into the .minecraft of the roaming folder. We want to go down to where it says versions. Take the Sigma and drag it in. I already have it in, so it's fine. Once you drag it in, you want to close your versions folder, go to the Minecraft launcher, and load up. Alright, once the Minecraft launcher is loaded, you want to go to installations, new, latest release, click on latest release right here, and click on Sigma 5. It should be in here. If this step did not work for you, go back to it again. It should be here though. You want to rename where we want to choose Sigma 5. Where'd it go? Right here. Name it Sigma 5 and just create it. You'll get a thing right here. You need to click enter or click to create. That should be right over here. Now we want to go to play. Make sure it's on Sigma 5. Click play. Accept and understand the risks. Click play again. You want to click play or it'll auto start in 10 seconds. As it's loading up, take the chance to subscribe and like below. Now that the Sigma is loaded up, it should look different than the normal Minecraft. This is because it's a client. We can either choose no add-ons, classic, or Jello. Jello is the one that has hacks. No add-ons is just using the Sigma launcher, but you have no hacks or add-ons. Classic has a few hacks, but it's not really there. So let's choose Jello. It'll give you the option to choose single player, multiplayer, or realms. We're going to go into multiplayer for now. We're going to go into Hypixel to demonstrate. Now that we are in Hypixel, click on right shift. It'll open the hack menu. This menu you can choose lots of stuff such as regen, kill, aura, x-ray, minimap, no fall, fly, Jesus, anything. You can choose tons of features that make you better at the game. If you have any questions or concerns, please drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.